In this case, I'm Quest Games Optimizer. Click on these three dots. Open with package installer. Meta app installed. Like, what? Yeah, so shout out to Suhimier29. I hope I pronounced that wrong. My apologies if I didn't. So when you download your APK, SideQuest, PS App, Steam Link, whatever you want to do, APK. Once you do that, go over to your magnifier in the navigator. Because I just tested it myself. Search for files. There it is there. Bring it up. Takes you here. Go into downloads. I mean, you have your recents, but just go to downloads. Find the app that you're looking to install. In this case, I'm Quest Games Optimizer. Click on these three dots. Open with package installer. Meta gave us the ability, so you get an option, settings, give permission, and toggle on to confirm that you're okay with downloading unknown sources, APKs. Just go ahead and do that. It's safe, no worries. I mean, and then click install. And it's that easy. I am app installed. Like, what? And that's easy. It's that easy. Like, what? Meta has a built-in package installer for APKs. I don't know if it's a mistake or what, but use that for everything. Like, use that for my new, the video I just put out. Like, this is going in shorts too, because this is insane. Use it before it's gone. Anyway. Like and subscribe, Bearski out, and all that other stuff. So, cheers. Like, what the? Wild.